Welcome back, notaries. About 2 weeks ago to the day, I went on notary.net, a website that sells notary supplies, and placed an order. Well, the order has arrived and I wanted to unbox it with you. Now, if you didn't see that first video, it's called Tools of the Trade, Alabama Notary Supplies 2025. In that video, we spent a little time on the website shopping. I made some recommendations, not only for notary.net, but two other companies that I order supplies from, Acorn Sales and Bowman's Supplies. So if you did not see that video, I encourage you to go back, watch it, jot down some discount codes, and see if there's something there that you like. All three websites, including notary.net, offers discounts if you use a certain link or enter a specific discount code. I'm talking fast, finally. This video will not last longer than 10 minutes. I set my alarm, and when it goes off, I'm done. So what I ordered 2 weeks ago was three items. I ordered a Alabama traditional notary stamp for $4.89. And see, that's what prompted me to do the video. It was on sale. And so you may want to go to notary.net and see if it is on sale. If it is, after we take a look at it together, you may want to order one for you. I also ordered a slim Alabama notary stamp for $21.95. I do a lot of general notary work. There are documents that just give me this much room to add my notary seal. So that's why I purchased that. And then the third item was an Alabama Notary online course, a training course for Alabama notaries. The cost for that was $5. I'm not going to talk about the training course in this video because, again, I'm trying to shorten my videos. I think they're getting too long. All right, so here are the two items that I purchased. I'm just going to grab one of them, open it quickly. It looks like this is the slim stamp. I will open it. I'm hoping, if I don't like to put my seal image online because it can be duplicated. And so I'm going to try my, wow, it's fancy. All right, so this is how it comes. And then you separate it. To me, that looks fancy. All right, so hopefully I'll be able to blur this. Oh, that's nice. That's really nice. I know it's far away for you, but at least you get to see the size, which is small. It has my commission name, State of Alabama, Notary Public, my commission expiration date. I like it. I wish I could compare it to, well, I may be able to compare it to the second stamp. So this one, this one here, $21.95. Okay, let's see if I can take that out of frame for a moment. This one, 5 minutes. I had no idea it was this small. There was no need for me to order the other one. I thought this was regular size. All right. I'm comparing the two. It appears that the first stamp that I made is slightly smaller, narrower than the second one. Had I known that the $4.89 stamp was this big, I would not have spent the additional $22 or $21.95. So, and yes, it has the state seal. It looks almost identical to this first one. It really does. I'm disappointed. But you know what? It could be my fault. I'm going to take ownership of it. Um, I'm really stunned right now. I really am. Um, I've ripped it open. I'm not going to send it back because I did not do my research to see the measurements, the size, and all that. All right. I've got 4 minutes. Is there anything I want to tell you? By the way, the reason why this one did not make an image is because, and I knew this, and they advertise it, it is not self-inking. You will have to buy a separate black ink pad to dab, dab, dab the old-fashioned way, and then make the impression. But again, for $5, I didn't have an issue with that. So, in closing, I will be doing a separate video on the Alabama Notary Training course for $5. So make sure you check that out. I am now in possession of 3 notary stamps that look similar, but I will be able to take one to my 9 to 5 job where I do occasionally perform notarizations. I'll keep it locked in my desk, and I've got a backup. I've got a backup one. So that did not end the way I expected. But the good news is I have not gone over 10 minutes. So in closing, you may like, I mean, again, this first one, very attractive, does not take up a lot of room. It is self-inking. For how long? I'm not sure, but it is self-inking, which is nice. It's called the Slim Stamp 2264. I'll put that in the description. And then the second one is in fact, that first one is PSI 2264 Slim. And then the second one, it's cute. It's cute. That one is oh, you're not giving me, I don't see the description, but it's $4.89. There were some other items marked down on that website. So it's definitely worth you checking it out. Hopefully the video about the notary training will have fewer surprises. Thanks for tuning in. If you have questions or comments, leave them in the comments section below. I'll definitely respond. And if you haven't done so yet, take a moment to please subscribe to the channel. Have a good evening.